Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about an important topic in business ethics, which is ethics and economic system. In today's world, business is not only about making money, but also about how companies treat people, society, and the environment. Through this video, you will understand how ethics plays a crucial role in shaping an economic system and how businesses should operate responsibly within it. So, make sure you watch this video until the end, because this topic is very important for students, future business professionals, and anyone who wants to understand ethical business practices. Let's get started. Introduction. In today's globalized world, business is not only about making profit. It is also about responsibility, fairness, and sustainability. Companies operate inside an economic system, but their decisions affect people, society, and the environment. That is why ethics plays a very important role in any economic system. Without ethics, economic activities can lead to exploitation, inequality, corruption, and environmental damage. Therefore, understanding the relationship between ethics and the economic system is essential in business ethics. Ethics refers to moral principles that guide human behavior, while an economic system is a structure that determines how goods and services are produced, distributed, and consumed in a society. When ethics is integrated into an economic system, businesses are encouraged not only to seek profit, but also to act in a responsible and fair way. The role of ethics in an economic system. For example, ethical principles such as honesty, fairness, and respect for human rights help ensure that businesses do not deceive customers, exploit employees, or damage society. In an ethical economic system, companies are expected to pay fair wages, provide safe working conditions, and offer products that are safe and useful for consumers. Without ethics, an economic system can become unfair. Wealth may be concentrated in the hands of a few, while many people suffer from poverty and lack of opportunity. Therefore, ethics helps balance economic efficiency with social justice. Ethics in a capitalist system. In a capitalist economic system, businesses are owned privately and the main goal is usually to maximize profit. Competition is strong, and companies try to grow as much as possible. However, this system can create ethical problems if profit becomes the only priority. For example, companies may lower production costs by underpaying workers, using child labor, or ignoring environmental pollution. In this case, the economic system works efficiently, but ethically it fails. That is why business ethics is needed to control excessive greed and to ensure that companies act responsibly. Ethical capitalism means that businesses still aim for profit, but they do so in a way that respects people and the environment. Concepts such as corporate social responsibility, fair trade, and sustainable business practices are examples of how ethics can improve a capitalist system. Ethics in a socialist and mixed economic system. In a socialist system, the government controls major industries and aims to create equality. In a mixed system, both government and private businesses share economic control. These systems are usually designed to reduce inequality and protect public welfare. So, regardless of the economic system, ethics is always necessary to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. Why ethics is important for economic sustainability. Ethics is not only about doing what is right, but also about ensuring long-term sustainability. When businesses act ethically, they build trust with customers, employees, and investors. This trust helps the economy grow in a stable and healthy way. For example, a company that treats its employees well will have more loyal and productive workers. A company that protects the environment will avoid legal problems and public criticism. Ethical behavior helps reduce risks and creates a positive reputation, which is important for long-term success. On the other hand, unethical behavior such as fraud, corruption, and exploitation can destroy public trust and cause economic crises. Many financial scandals in the past happened because companies ignored ethics in pursuit of profit. Conclusion. In conclusion, ethics and the economic system are closely connected. An economic system provides the structure for business activities, while ethics provides moral guidance on how those activities should be conducted. Without ethics, economic growth can lead to injustice, inequality, and social problems. With ethics, economic systems can create prosperity that benefits not only businesses, but also society as a whole. Therefore, as future business professionals, it is important to understand that success is not only measured by profit, but also by how ethically and responsibly a business operates within the economic system. Closing. So, that's our discussion about ethics and economic system. From this topic, we can learn that ethics and economics cannot be separated. An economic system needs ethical values so that business activities can create not only profit, but also fairness, trust, and sustainability for society. I hope this video helps you understand why ethics is very important in business and in any economic system. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.